Hello there, this is Sam Limo, your Texas Realtor. Today, I want to encourage anyone that is thinking about buying a home or even not thinking about to buy a home, that for the right home, for the right budget, it's time to buy. My message today is marry the sale price and date the interest rate. There's a lot of noise about interest rate right now, but what they don't tell you is even though the interest gone up, what was happening in the market where the interest rate was low? I can tell you this for free, that during the interest rate being low, the prices were higher and there were more buyers in the market, which basically it was driving the competition for those homes. Homes were selling for more than the asking price because people were competing for those homes and they had to pay more than the asking price. And most of the asking price is based on appraisals. So, which means they paid more than what those houses were actually worth. So, with the interest rate being high right now, the market has basically leveled out. And I want you to be driven by your motives. Think about why you want to buy a home right now. Think about your family. Think about the school district you want your kids to go to. It's just like marriage. If it's time to get married, if you have the resources to, if you have the right partner, go ahead and do it. Same thing with the homes right now. Let's find you that home that best fits your needs, that works with your budget. And don't let the noise about the interest rate hinder you from achieving your goals at this time. I want to show you that when the interest rates are lower, the prices are higher. And that means the mortgage is going to go with either way. Either the price is high or the interest rate is low. I'm going to show you two examples here just to give you the variation because numbers don't lie. So give me 1 second here. So these are resources free and available online for you to do it at your own time. So you can see like for a home that's 300,000, using FHA loans, basically you can do up to 3.5% of the value as the down payment. With a 6.7 interest rate, you can see the payment here is $22.72. Let's look at if the interest keep going up and the price comes down. So in this case, the interest went up by 1 point and the price of this home dropped by $20,000. Guess what? The payment is higher by about $50. So I would say this, marry the sale price and date your interest rate. You can always refinance. You can always refinance. Like the saying goes, grandma said, rent used to be $400. When I was in college, we were paying $775 for a 3-bedroom home. But what has changed? The cost of owning the home has gone up. And what you could do is you can control your house payments by locking down your principal right now on a 30-year mortgage. So don't cheat yourself over time. If you can find the right home, if it fits your budget right now, the right time to buy is now. Use our resources. Let's talk about your situations. Let's discuss your motives and put you in a position to buy the right home in today's market. Thank you, and I look forward to serving you and your family. Thank you.